Good morning, friends. Listen once again. Principle of a calorimeter. Principle of a So what is the principle of calorimetry? Heat energy given out by hot body is equal to heat energy absorbed by the cold body, both are equal. So heat energy given out by a hot body is equal to heat energy absorbed by a cold body. Heat energy given out by a hot body is equal to heat energy absorbed by the cold body, both are equal. It is a principle of heat energy. It is a principle of calorimetry. Correct? It is a principle of calorimetry. Okay. Listen once again. If two substances masses M1 and M2 and its specific heat capacities S1 and S2 and an initial temperature T1 and T2 are mixed. If two substances listen once again, important. If two bodies of masses M1 and M2 and its specific heat capacity is two bodies of masses or two liquids. If two liquids of masses M1 and M2, its specific heat capacity is S1 and S2, its initial temperatures T1 and T2 are mixed. T1 and T2 are mixed. Then final temperature of the mixture is final temperature of the mixture is T equal to M1 S1 T1 plus M2 S2 T2 by M1 S1 plus M2 S2. It is a temperature of the mixture from calorimetry principle. Two liquids of masses M1 and M2 and its specific heat capacities S1 and S2, its initial temperatures T1 and T2 are mixed. Then final temperature of the mixture is T equal to M1 S1 T1 plus M2 S2 T2 plus M1 S1 plus M2 AS2. I already explained this lesson. This principle, even I have explained once again, because of now I will explain some problems and worksheet also will give based on this formula. That's why I explained once again. Listen carefully. Here temperature of the mixture equal to temperature of the mixture T equal to M1S1 T1 plus M2S2 T2 by M1S1 plus M2S2. If M1 equal to M2, M1 equal to M2, that equal to M. That equal to M. So the above equation we can write like this: T equal to M S1 T1 plus M S2 T2 by M into S1 plus M into S2. So here M common, S1 T1 plus S2 T2 by S1 plus S2 into here also M common. So here M get cancelled, that equal to I'm writing here S1 T1 plus S2 T2 by S1 plus S2. It is the final temperature when its mass is equal. The two substances are equal masses, or two liquids are equal masses with different specific heat capacities and different velocities. Then resultant temperature is S1 T1 plus S2 T2 by S1 plus S2. S1 plus S2. Okay. The two liquids are V1 V2. If V1 V2 are the V1 and V2 are the volumes and D1 D2 are the densities. The two bodies are mixed together, then find the resultant temperature. We know that T equal to M1 S1 T1 plus M2 S2 T2 by M1 S1 plus M2 S2. But here density D equal to mass by volume. D equal to mass by volume. From this we can write here M equal to volume into density. Here M equal to we can write here D into V. So therefore here M1 equal to D1 into V1. Okay, and M2 equal to D2 into V2. Okay, now substitute in the place of M1 we can write here D1 into V1. In the place of M2 we can write here D2 into V2. Therefore final temperature of the mixture equal to D1 V1 S1 T1 plus D2 V2 S2 T2 by D1 V1 into S1 plus D2 V2 into S2. It is the final temperature of the mixture if volume and density is given. Volume and density is given. Then final temperature of the mixture equal to D1 into V1 into S1 into T1 plus d2 into v2 into s2 into t2 by d1 into v1 into s1 plus d2 into v2 into s2. Okay, now I will explain one problem. A liquid has specific capacity 0.3 at 90 degrees is mixed with another liquid has specific is 0.5 at 15 degrees Celsius. Then final temperature of the mixture. Then final temperature of the mixture is two liquids of masses upon okay. First one, a liquid of mass, a liquid of mass, a liquid of mass 5 kg, a liquid of mass 5 kg at 90 degrees Celsius, and its SPC means specific heat capacity is 0.3 is mixed with another liquid of mass, another liquid of mass, another liquid of mass 2 kg at 15 degrees Celsius, and its SPC means specific heat capacity is 0.5. Then find temperature of the mixture then find its temperature of the mixture. Now listen, what are the given values here? First here M1 is given 5 kg, T1 equal to 90 degrees Celsius, and S1 means specific heat capacity equal to 0.3. Okay, next M2 is given 5, M2 equal to 2 kg, M2 equal to 2 kg, T2 equal to 15 degrees Celsius, and S2 equal to 0.5. Then find the temperature of the mixture. Temperature of the mixture. So here temperature of the mixture T equal to temperature of the mixture T equal to here M1 S1 T1 plus M2 S2 T2 by M1 S1 plus M2S2. It is the formula to find the final temperature of the liquids, final temperature of the bodies. So I am substituting here T equal to M1 equal to here 5 into 0.3 into 90 plus 2 into 15 into 0.5 by M1 here 5 into 0.3 plus 2 into 0.5 that equal to here 0.3 into 90 27 into 5 27 into 5 27 into 5 135. So here 135 plus 30 2 into 15 30 into 0.5 that is 0.5 30 into 0.5 15 by 5 into 0.3 1.5 plus 1 that equal to how much here 135 plus 15 150 by 2.5 by 2.5 that equal to how much here T equal to 150 by 2.5 we can write here 1500 by 25 that equal to 60 degrees that equal to 60 degrees. So your final temperature of the mixture is 60 degrees Celsius. It is the final temperature of the mixture. The final temperature of the mixture is 60 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next one. Next one. If 10 grams of water, if question number 2, if 10 grams of water at 50 degrees Celsius is mixed with 20 grams of water at 10 degrees Celsius, then find final temperature of the mixture. Final temperature of the mixture. Final temperature of the mixture. Once observe the question now. If 10 grams of water at 50 degrees Celsius is mixed with 20 grams of water at 10 degrees Celsius, then find the Then find the final temperature of the mixture. Here water is mixed with again water, means here specific heat is equal. So here specific heat of S1 and S2 both are equal. Yes, here specific heat is equal. So here M1 equal to 10 grams, theta 1 equal to 50 degrees Celsius. Here S1 equal to S. Next one, M2 is given. M2 equal to 20 grams. Next, T2 is given, that equal to 10 degrees Celsius, and S2 equal to S. So final temperature of the mixture is M1 S1 T1 plus M2 S2 T2 by M1 S1 plus M2 S2. It is the final temperature of the mixture. So here S1 S2 both are equal. So here T equal to, I will write S common because of S1 and S2 both are equal. So here S common, M1 into T1 plus M2 into T2 by, here also S common, M1 plus M2. So S will cancel. Here T equal to M1 into T1 plus M2 into T2 by M1 plus M2. It is the formula for the final temperature of the mixture if specific heat capacity is equal. So here M1 equal to how much? 50 into 10 into 50. 10 into 50 plus M2 20 into 10. 20 into 10 by mass 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20, that equal to 500 plus 200, 700 by 30. So your final temperature of the mixture is, I am writing here, final temperature of the mixture. Final temperature of the mixture T1 T equal to here 10 into 50, 500 plus 20 into 10, 200 by 30. 500 plus 200 plus 700 by 30. So 0 cancel, that equal to 70 by 3. 70 by 3. Nearly you will get to 23.3 degrees Celsius. It is the final temperature of the mixture if mass is equal. If mass is equal. Okay, next one. Listen once again. Here M1 M2 is given, T1 T2 is given. Here S1 and S2 both are equal because of water is mixed with again water means specific heat capacity is equal. If specific heat capacity is equal, then formula to find the temperature of the mixture T equal to m1 T1 plus m2 T2 by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. If specific heat capacity is equal, two liquids, two substances mixed with different temperatures with different mass, if S is equal, then T equal to m1 T1 plus m2 T2 by m1 plus m2. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye.